Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Many often you might have eaten egg bonda, but this type of egg bonda, I bet you have not eaten this. But if you follow the video till the end, you can have an amazing mouth-watering recipe. So let us see how to prepare this. So for this egg bonda, the main ingredients are eggs. So here I have taken 6 eggs. You can take any quantity of your choice, either a dozen or 8, and boil it nicely and put it aside. Now on the other hand, take another bowl and add 1 full cup of water and wash spinach of 6 bunches nicely. And once you get the water boil, then add these chopped spinach into it and allow it to boil for another minute, and then add cold water and then stain it and put it aside. Now after cooling the eggs completely, you peel the outer skin and then just put a scar with knife on the eggs on 4 sides and put it aside. Now take a bowl and add 1 full cup of besan or chickpea flour, and then add half a tablespoon of chili powder, pinch of ajwain, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric and salt to taste, and mix all the dry ingredients. Now after cooling and staining the spinach or palak, add into the blender with 2 chilies and blend it nicely into a puree like this. Now for 1 cup of besan or chickpea flour, I have added 1 full cup of palak puree into this. Now mix it nicely and thoroughly without any lumps formed. Now this batter should not be very thick or too pouring in consistency. This should be a little bit rough in texture, and also at the same time it should hold the egg properly. Now add little water and a pinch of baking soda into it, and then again give it a nice stir. If you stir it for a little bit of time, that is for 1 to 2 minutes, the batter will be nice and soft so that you can get crispy and crunchier texture of egg bonda. So don't forget to blend it or mix it for 1 whole minute. Now add all the eggs into the palak puree and then dip it nicely and then add it into the oil. Here I have preheated the oil on high flame, and then while I was dropping the eggs, I have put it on low flame, and one by one only I was frying these eggs. Once you're done with all the eggs, cool it for some time and again coat it for another time. That is, for second time you need to coat the fried eggs, and again then dip it into the oil like this and fry it for just 30 seconds, not more than that. Do not over fry or deep fry them. They will change the color into black or dark brown. You need to have this green coat and crunchy texture. So that's it. Complete the process with the remaining eggs also for the second time, and our green egg bonda is all ready. You can serve it hot. You can enjoy that crispy crunchy outer texture with the egg inside soft and smooth. So trust me, you and your family will truly enjoy this green egg bonda this rainy season. So please do give it a try and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. If you like it, please share it and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.